3. Correlative conjunctions. These are pairs of conjunctions that work together to connect equivalent elements in a sentence. Some common correlative conjunctions are either or, neither nor, not only but also, both and, whether or. Correlative conjunctions. 1. Either or. You can either have tea or coffee. Either she will come to the party or she will stay at home. You can either call me or send me a message. I will either read a book or watch a movie. Either we can go to the beach or stay at home. 2. Neither nor. Neither my sister nor my brother is at home. I want neither coffee nor tea. Neither the teacher nor the students were present. She likes neither apples nor oranges. We found neither the book nor the pen. 3. Not only but also. She is not only smart but also very hardworking. He not only plays the guitar but also sings beautifully. They are not only my friends but also my family. The movie is not only entertaining but also educational. She not only speaks English but also French. 4. Both and. Both my parents and my siblings live in the city. I like both chocolate and vanilla ice cream. Both the book and the movie are interesting. She speaks both Hindi and English fluently. Both the teacher and the students participated in the event. 5. Whether or. I don't know whether I should go or stay. She is unsure whether to take the job or continue her studies. Whether you like it or not, we have to finish the project. He asked whether it was possible or not. Whether it rains or shines, we will go for a picnic. 4. Conjunctive adverbs. While not traditional conjunctions, these words function similarly by connecting independent clauses. They include however, therefore, moreover, consequently, furthermore, nevertheless, meanwhile, likewise. 1. However. She was tired, however, she continued working. I wanted to go for a walk, however, it started to rain. The task was difficult, however, I managed to complete it. He didn't study, however, he passed the exam. The film received poor reviews, however, it was a box office success. She forgot his birthday, however, she made it up to him later. The weather was bad, however, we decided to go out. The meeting was scheduled for Monday, however, it was postponed. He was late, however, he still managed to catch the bus. The proposal was rejected, however, they are considering it again. 2. Therefore. She studied hard, therefore, she passed the exam. It was raining heavily, therefore, the match was cancelled. He forgot his keys, therefore, he couldn't enter the house. The project was successful, therefore, they received a bonus. She didn't feel well, therefore, she stayed home. The roads were closed, therefore, we took a detour. He worked late, therefore, he was tired the next day. The restaurant was full, therefore, we went somewhere else. She won the competition, therefore, she received a trophy. The sun was shining, therefore, it was a perfect day for a picnic. 3. Moreover. She is intelligent, moreover, she is hardworking. The book is well written, moreover, it is informative. He is an excellent speaker, moreover, he is a great leader. The project is on schedule, moreover, it is under budget. She is not only my friend, moreover, she is my confidant. The city is beautiful, moreover, it has a rich history. The weather is pleasant, moreover, the scenery is stunning. He is an experienced manager, moreover, he is very approachable. The food was delicious, moreover, the service was excellent. The movie was entertaining, moreover, it had a strong message. 4. Consequently, it rained heavily, consequently, the match was postponed. He didn't study, consequently, he failed the exam. The company expanded rapidly, consequently, it hired more staff. The road was blocked, consequently, we took a different route. She saved a lot of money, consequently, she bought a new car. The weather was bad, consequently, the picnic was cancelled. He trained hard, consequently, he won the championship. They invested wisely, consequently, they made a profit. The report was submitted late, consequently, the project was delayed. She missed her bus, consequently, she arrived late to the meeting. 5. Furthermore, the policy is effective, furthermore, it is easy to implement. He is talented, furthermore, he is very dedicated. The project is ahead of schedule, furthermore, it is under budget. She is an accomplished writer, furthermore, she is a skilled editor. The team worked hard, furthermore, they collaborated effectively. The course is comprehensive, furthermore, it covers practical skills. The museum is educational, furthermore, it is also entertaining. The service was prompt, furthermore, the staff was friendly. The seminar was informative, furthermore, it was well organized. The restaurant has a diverse menu, furthermore, it uses fresh ingredients. 6. Nevertheless, it was raining, nevertheless, we went for a walk. She was tired, nevertheless, she finished her work. He was unwell, nevertheless, he attended the meeting. The task was challenging, nevertheless, I enjoyed it. They had financial problems, nevertheless, they managed to travel. The journey was long, nevertheless, it was worth it. She faced many obstacles, nevertheless, she succeeded. He didn't have much experience, nevertheless, he did a great job. The movie received mixed reviews, nevertheless, it was popular. The weather was bad, nevertheless, we went camping. 7. Meanwhile, the children played in the park, meanwhile, their parents relaxed. He was studying for his exams, meanwhile, his friends went out. The cake was baking in the oven, meanwhile, I prepared the frosting. She was writing her thesis, meanwhile, she took short breaks. The meeting was ongoing, meanwhile, the reports were being prepared. He was waiting for the bus, meanwhile, he checked his phone. The film was being screened, meanwhile, the audience enjoyed snacks. The renovations were happening, meanwhile, the employees worked remotely. She was preparing for her presentation, meanwhile, her colleagues helped. The sun was setting, meanwhile, the stars began to appear. 8. Likewise, she loves reading, likewise, her sister enjoys it too. He is a talented musician, likewise, he is a great composer. The first book was a bestseller, likewise, the sequel became popular. They both enjoy hiking, likewise, they love exploring new trails. The team worked hard, likewise, they achieved their goals. She is a skilled artist, likewise, she is a talented teacher. The weather was pleasant, likewise, the atmosphere was festive. The meeting was productive, likewise, the discussions were fruitful. He is a dedicated employee, likewise, he is a good leader. The recipe is easy to follow, likewise, the ingredients are simple.